A researcher at a weather station uses the following formula to calculate A, the absolute humidity of the air, where H is the relative humidity and T is the air temperature. We want to calculate A when H is equal to 55 and T is equal to 30. So that's just going to be a case of substituting into the ClassPad. So we're going to need a fraction template, and I've got 12.7 times H, we're told that H is 55, times 1.07 to the power T, where T is 30, and then we divide by T, which is 30, add 273. And that gives me 17.548. Okay, now we want to calculate the values for the entries P and Q in the spreadsheet here. So if we look at P, which is just here, that is when H is equal to 80 and T equals negative 10. So we could just drag this to here and then replace the 55 with 80 because that was the value of H. And the 30, let's replace that with negative 10. And of course we need to replace that on the bottom down here as well. So it was T in both places in the formula. And that is 1.96. So everything else is to 2 decimal places, so we'll just put it in as 1.96. And then for the Q, we can see that H is equal to 40 and T equals 20. So let's just grab this again. And I'm going to replace that 80 there with 40. And let's replace that negative 10 there. It doesn't matter if I just leave the brackets there. That's going to be 20 just there. And also on the bottom. And that is 6.71. And we're told that one of the entries in the spreadsheet is incorrect. State the value of T and the value of H and the cell in which the incorrect value lies and calculate the correct value of A. So what we want to do is spot, we don't want to calculate all of these. We want to spot if there's some sort of break in the trend. We can see generally as we go that way, the values get higher, and also as we go this way. And the two that stand out to me are these two just here. They're not in the right order. So one of those two is incorrect. So let's try the left-hand one first. So I'm going to try the H is equal to 70 and T equals 0. So once again, let's just grab this. And so we had H was 70. We'll just change that there. T is 0. So all I need to do is remove the 2 from there and the 2 from there. and that's 3.26. So the value of A is 3.26, not 3.75. And it only says one of the entries, and we found it, so I'm not going to check the next one.